Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss what a Scrum Master is and how to become one. If this content is helpful for you, please like and subscribe to the channel to help us create more such knowledgeable content and reach a wider audience. Without further ado, let's start with the agenda of today's video. In this video we will discuss what is a Scrum Master, difference between Scrum Master and Project Manager, roles and responsibilities of a Scrum Master, and how to pursue noteworthy Scrum Master certification to help you become a successful Scrum Master. Scrum is a collaborative and iterative methodology for managing projects that can be challenging given its fast-paced nature, multiple team members with different responsibilities, and frequent changes in processes. Scrum Masters are a crucial element of most successful Scrum teams. They have their own specific job to support other team members and make sure projects run smoothly. But what exactly does that mean, and how do you become a Scrum Master? And what exactly is a Scrum Master role in an organization? Keep watching the video to find out more about this essential role in your company's software development team. We will first start with learning, what is a Scrum Master? They are a facilitator who helps a Scrum team to self-organize, collaborate, and continuously improve. The Scrum Master is not a project manager, instead, they are a coach and servant leader who helps the team to stay focused on their goals and to improve their process. The Scrum Master ensures that the team adheres to the Scrum process and for helping the team to resolve any impediments that may arise. They also work with the product owner to help them prioritize the backlog and to ensure that the team has the information they need to be successful. A Scrum Master is a person who helps run projects using the Scrum methodologies. The job description for the role varies depending on the company and industry, but it's generally focused on providing input that helps the project stay on track. The Scrum Master is a key member of the Scrum team, and their role is essential to the success of the team. If you are preparing for a Scrum Master interview and it is around the corner, you must read our guide to Scrum Master interview questions and answers. Many people confuse Scrum Masters with project managers, but they are not the same. Let's understand the difference between the two. At first glance, it may seem like these roles are interchangeable. In reality, there are fundamental differences between a Scrum Master and a project manager that cannot be overlooked. The fundamental difference between the two roles is based on their focus. Scrum Masters are responsible for leading and guiding the teams of software developers that work on projects using agile methods. Project managers are responsible for managing a project and its team from start to finish, including planning, budgeting, recruiting, assigning tasks, and ensuring deadlines are met. The project manager holds the upper hand when it comes to the direction of a company's resources and time. A good project manager will have their team working in sync and dedicated to making their project successful. On the other hand, a good Scrum Master will be able to inspire their team to focus on the project at hand while also keeping it grounded by creating trust among team members. To learn more about the difference between the Scrum Master and Project Manager, you can read our article, Scrum Master vs. Project Manager. The link will be attached in the description box. Do not forget to check it out. We hope that now you have a clear understanding on the difference between Scrum Master and Project Manager. Let's understand the roles and functions you will be performing as a Scrum Master in any organization. The Scrum Master is responsible for ensuring that the Scrum process is followed and that the team is adhering to the Scrum values. The Scrum Master is the facilitator of the team and is responsible for ensuring that the team is able to work together effectively. There are many responsibilities of a Scrum Master that fall under this role, but here are some of the most important ones. Ensuring that the product owner is aware of any roadblocks and can make decisions about them. Facilitating daily stand-up meetings with the team. Ensuring that artifacts are created and updated on a regular basis. Removing impediments to progress. Providing support to the team during sprint reviews and retrospectives. Providing feedback to the team. Maintaining an up-to-date task board. Providing status updates to stakeholders. Facilitating team self-organization and change management. Guaranteeing that the team stays focused on their goals throughout each sprint. A Scrum Master is a key role in the Scrum framework and helps the team to be successful. The Scrum Master makes sure that the team follows the Scrum process effectively. Furthermore, if these points got you wondering what is a Scrum Master salary, then we got you covered. We are sure that if you are somebody who is looking to become a Scrum Master, one of the most important things that you must know is how much will you be paid for performing your role as a Scrum Master. Check out the link in the description box. Now that we have covered the majority of things that you must know about while deciding to become a Scrum Master, but what we are about to discuss is the most important, and that is how to become a certified Scrum Master. The Scrum Master is a critical role in any organization that uses Scrum. Without a well-trained Scrum Master, teams will struggle to produce high-quality products and deliver them on time. They are instrumental in ensuring that a business adopts the Agile methodology successfully. Certified Scrum Master demonstrates their mastery of the most important Scrum concepts, which can give them a significant advantage over those without certification. But how do you become a certified Scrum Master? It's simpler than you think. Keep watching the video until the end. If you are wondering what a Scrum Master certification is and how to proceed, your search is over. The below-mentioned courses can help you land your dream job as a Scrum Master. The first one is the Professional Scrum Master PSM-I Certification Training. This Professional Scrum Master Tech-I training program is a combination of instructions and team-based exercises developed specifically for Agile Masters. This beginner-level certification demonstrates a fundamental level of Scrum mastery in the industry. This course is built off of top-notch professional Scrum Master training. It educates you on the philosophies, methodologies, and techniques of Agile working methodologies. It is all about building your knowledge, skills, and experience so that you can develop a complete understanding of the role of PSM. Agilemania is a proven path to improve the effectiveness of your Scrum teams. It contributes towards implementing Scrum and Agile software development methods in your organization more efficiently. Next is the Advanced Professional Scrum Master PSM-II Certification Training. The Professional Scrum Master Level 2 PSM-II is a rigorous 2-day program that will teach you advanced Scrum skills, tools, and techniques. This training is designed for experienced Scrum practitioners who have had at least 1 year of Scrum management experience and who are ready to move into a leadership role or add new skills to their existing career path. This training gives you an opportunity to learn new skills and enhance the existing ones. Getting good at Scrum is no easy task, especially if you're just getting started. However, with this Certified Professional Scrum Master 2 course, you'll definitely have a leg up on those who've been doing it for years. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So, are you ready to be a successful Scrum Master? Becoming a certified Scrum Master is an important step toward helping your team become more successful. Not only does it demonstrate your mastery of Scrum, but it also shows your commitment towards your career. If you're interested in becoming a certified Scrum Master, then we recommend that you enroll in an accredited Scrum Masters training course at Agilemania. This will help you to better understand the Scrum framework and how to apply it to your business. For anything, you can always reach out to us, connect@agilemania.com. Thank you for watching our video. Do share with your friends and colleagues for whom this video can be helpful. Do not forget to click the bell icon to receive updates.